Malatyadarshi Vakachin Malike Jatiyutike Pritim Vo Janayan Yata Kara Sparshena Madhava. Kara Sparshena Madhav. Translation: the gopis are madly and frantically searching for Krishna. They're coming to their wits' end, going from tree to tree and flower to flower and tulsi. And it's interesting because first they went to the gopis went to the leaders of the trees. The leaders of the trees are the Brahma tree, the Vishnu tree Ashwat, and the Brahma tree Plaksha, and the Shiva tree Nyagrodha, which is the banyan. And then after that they went to the first level trees, the masters and rulers of the forest, who were appearing as Ashwat, Plakshan, and Nyagrodha. Then they went to the second string, the second class of trees, the Punaga, the very glorious and grand trees also. Punaga, Shok, Naga, Champak. And then they said, okay, we're not having any luck with the trees. They're all male, they're all puffed up, they're proud. So now let's go to the plants and flowers. So who is the ruler of all the plants and flowers? Tulsi Maharani ki jai. So that's why we mentioned that verse in Padma Puran. Krishna Jimani Nandani Pushpasara Tulasi Vishwapavani Vishwapujita Vrindavana. On the Tulsi Vivaha Utsav of Tulsi's marriage to Narayan. And then on that special day, Krishna offered this prayer to glorify his most beloved Vrinda Devi, Tulsi Devi. And that's there. So in that prayer we mentioned Pushpasara Tulasi, because she is, and this is this sequence of Shukla Muni's presentation and of the Gopis Krama. The Gopis Krama are a sequence of which plants they're approaching to inquire about the location of their lost lover. Even this verse reinforces Krishna's prayer by saying Pushpasara Tulasi. Rather, that Tulsi is the essence of all flowers. So therefore, in verse 7 of chapter 30, first the gopis approach Tulsi. And then now they approach she's the queen. She's the queen of the flowers. As it's said, if a garland is there but there's no Tulsi, then Krishna won't like. So as you know, in the old days, when you buy a garland from the malis in front of the temples, they give you a leaf plate and a mala and sprinkle Tulsi on it. And then you offer it to the Thakurji. Because they know that rule. Because the pujaris know the rule also. So if the garland would come in, the pujaris would say, we won't take it. They would say, where's the Tulsi? I don't know about modern pujaris, but sometimes they would give me, because I didn't know, I learned by experience in this one, and then also later read Shastra. I purchased garlands in Banki Bihari and at different places, and I go to their offer. Where's the Tulsi? Tulsi? Oh no, this is a rose mala. No, nehoga, back. I won't take. So I go back and say, where's the Tulsi? Oh, because he was thinking, oh, he's Videshi, he doesn't know, so I'll save some money on Tulsi. Usual. So I went back and then I came back and they take. So this is, it all works together. There's a Shastra, then the Brahmins are supposed to know and uphold the Shastra, and then they pass the order on to the other Varnas, like the Malis who are Sudras. Well, you're making the garlands to make money in front of the temple, and unless we accept them, unless we as the Pujaris accept them and offer them to Krishna, then you don't have a job, you don't have any money. So then one way or the other, they learned by tradition, but it all started with Shastra, and the Brahmins who lived by the Shastra and worshipped the Thakurji according to the Shastra.